waters from Vermilion, Ohio to Conneaut, Ohio, until 9 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 7:22 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorm outflow winds were located along a line extending from 27 nautical miles northwest of Fairport Harbor to 8 nautical miles southeast of Kelleys Island, moving southeast at 45 knots. Hazard: wind gusts in excess of 50 knots. Source: radar. Impact: boats could suffer significant structural damage in high winds. Small craft could capsize in suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Geneva-on-the-Lake, Lorraine Harbor, Ashtabula, and Cleveland. Move to safe harbor immediately as gusty winds and high waves are expected. Strong winds will precede any thunderstorms. Urgent weather message.